Hi, this is Linda and welcome back to Handsthatcook. I am going to make some croutons and some crostini. Now this was 2 slices of this large Italian bread. I cut the crust off of it, and I'm cutting these into good sized pieces. This is for a salad. This is for my salads. I'm just cutting it up because I like large croutons. If you like yours smaller, cut them smaller. Yeah, I like them big. And you know, you can put these in a Ziploc bag and they'll stay good forever. I mean, for the longest time. There. And when you toast these, use a grate, because then you don't have to turn them over. If you have to turn them over, you do so halfway through. So I'm gonna get my grated thing here. Now I can do many more of these, but this is all I'm going to do on camera. Keep them all flat. Alright, now I'm going to put these, I don't know how long these will take, but I'm going to put them in a 350-degree oven, and I'll bring you back when they're finished. Now I'm going to start cutting up my crostini, and I'm not going to take the crust off. I'm just going to cut them in bite-sized pieces. While we're at it, let me give my friend Cooking with Rick a shout out. Now, you all have got to try his channel. He makes excellent meals. Oven, crock pot, pressure cooker. He makes them all. He does. So, you all need to watch that. I'm going to get some more of these. And we're going to cut them just like I did the other one, down the center. And I'm going to cut these just a little bit smaller.
You're growing up. Oh no, it's happening. I'm not ready for this. Make time stop. Make it stop. Focus.
Now you can gear this up for Father's Day, because you can serve this with all kinds of dips and spreads, and they'll turn out wonderful. People will love it. So I'll be back.
I wake up at night and I see him out my window. I hear his voice over my phone. I know who I see.
I know what it looks like, but you're not actually seeing Ricketts.
Then who do I see?
Turn around. Be very careful. You can call her by her real name. Jamie Emerson.
You were the girl. Oh, honey, I am so sorry.
Yeah, she was on that ride too. Johnny wasn't screwing around with Ferris wheel that night.
He was trying to help him.
The latch wasn't safe. Both fell. You survived. He didn't. The park knew they were liable for the accident.
You have to believe me. Mr. Whalen thought it would be best. Keep it shut. You've had 15 years to come clean.
They paid off all the parents for their silence. 350 grand for each, and it was over for them. You had covered your medical expenses, and now you're suffering. Nothing was going to bring Johnny back. And now, decided to bring back Scarefest, so callous and forgetting all the damage they left in their wake. He snapped, and he won one out. Eve and Holloway kept thinking they were seeing Johnny Ricketts, but what they really saw was you in the baseball cap. You didn't just want to kill him. You wanted to free him, so they knew exactly why they were being killed.
I never wanted your money. You needed to pay. You all needed to pay. They made me lie. I have regretted it ever since. You can say whatever you want. You're still going with it.
Jamie, let me over. The only thing I can't figure out is how you're in two places at the same time. What are you talking about? How does she manage to operate the ride and your whale at the same time, Gus? Abracadabra. Never mind.
We're back. I let this stay in the oven 20 minutes. And it's a crostini. I'm going to put them in another Ziploc bag. And I'm going to show you what you can do with them. I turned my oven off. But now, when you're having that get together for Father's Day or any other day, you can make these crostinis. You can make the other things I made. What were they? croutons for your salads. But let me show you what I'm going to do with these crostini. You can use thinner bread if you want to. I like thick bread. And here this is all in my Ziploc bag. I'm going to move this. And I've got just some pimento cheese. But you can use tuna fish salad, chicken salad, guacamole, any other dip or spread you want to use. But I'm going to take this and put it on my crostini. Now, wouldn't this be pretty on a platter? Your different spreads and then the crostini, and let everybody snack before dinner time. Oh, so good. Don't forget, 350 degrees for 20 minutes for these crostini. And don't forget to look up my friend Cooking with Rick. You'll enjoy his channel. And he's got a wonderful bird called Dexter that talks while he's cooking. Cute. Cute idea. So, this is all I have is the pimento cheese. But I'm going to make some other spreads for Father's Day and set them out on a platter with some grapes and things like that. But you've got to try this because it's delicious and it's easy to make. So I hope you try it. Thank you for coming in and spending part of your day with me. Like and subscribe if you haven't. It only takes a minute. And until next time, you all take care. And God bless every one of you.